Next, please. The agenda is like this, and firstly, I introduce the history of Japan and Vietnam cooperation in energy efficient and conservation. And the second, the current status of Vietnam in energy efficient and conservation. And then propose our program for the next step. Next, please. Until now, METI has been conducting business with Vietnam through two frameworks, bilateral and multilateral through ECCJ. We are developing two types of human resources, both bilateral and multilateral, by dispatching experts and accepting training in Japan. In bilateral projects, Ho Chi Minh City was established in 2015. The multilateral framework in ASEAN started in 2000 as PROMIC, and since 2012, Egypt has been implementing and the project in cooperation with ACE. By 2019, we have dispatched a total of 111 experts and accepted 319 trainees. I'll introduce the EMTC project in 2015. Next, please. The EMTC Energy Management Training Center was established in 2015 June in Ho Chi Minh City. This project was conducted by JICA and we, ECCJ, supported mainly for software side. As for the hardware, industrial furnace, boiler, compressor, steam trap, pump, fan, lighting, and classroom were installed in Plet in the south of Ho Chi Minh City. ECCJ was in charge of the software such as the curriculum and textbook for training of energy manager and energy auditor, and also training for trainers, including training in Japan. Next, please. This is a picture at the opening ceremony of the EMTC on June 2015. And next, please. The Energy Management Training Center was utilized for the training course of the AGIP Scheme 2 program, which is to develop trainers of training. On August last year, those candidates of trainers gathered to the EMTC in Ho Chi Minh City from ASEAN countries and studied how to train using the actual training equipment. Next, please. Then I'm going to introduce current status of Vietnam. Next, please. The Vietnam government has set up new National Energy Efficient Program, so-called VNEP3. This program is towards 2030, and it is separated into two periods, which is from 2019 to 2025, and from 2025 to 2030. In the former part, 5 to 7% saving energy consumption are targeted, and in the later part, 8 to 10%. Next, please. As shown in this table, the target saving values are clearly stipulated for each sector and for each period. Next, please. This is showing what to do to achieve the target. Out of these things, mostly related matters to our activity are in red letters. We think the most important things to achieve the target is implementation of effective countermeasures. And usually, those effective measures need investment. Therefore, the financial assistance that is established by a strong fund is critical. Next, please. So I'm going to introduce proposal program for the next year onward. Next, please. ECCJ proposes our bilateral cooperation program. The objective is to support MOIT to achieve the target of VNEPP 3. The countermeasures are capacity building for local government officers and promotion or acceleration of implementation of effective energy saving projects. And as a result, achievement of the target of the VNEP is expected. Next, please. In order to achieve the target of VNEP, the implementation of really effective energy saving action is critical. Then the point is how to find the effective energy saving actions or countermeasures. Fortunately, the energy audit in every 3 years is stipulated in Vietnam on energy saving law, and the detail is in circular number 9. This is quite unique in ASEAN countries and strong point of Vietnam. Therefore, the effective countermeasures can be found easily by reviewing these energy audit reports. In the audit report, normally, there are proposals of effective energy saving actions from no cost to high cost. And the most effective measures or actions are usually in the high cost one. So to implement and the highest effect measures, high investment is needed. And in the private sector, the payback period is a reason unable to implement them. Therefore, the firm financial assistance is most important for implementation. The establishment of the financial assistance system, such as subsidy or duty exemption, utilize ESCO, JCM, or whatever is expected. So I'd like to propose this program, how to setting up the system, how to utilize those financial assistance and to accelerate the to implementation of the effective energy saving project. That's all. Thank you.